You know that spyware infections take down thousands and thousands of hours of American productivity every year? Hi, I'm Dan Afonso of Afonso Consulting and Enfold IT, and this is how to immunize your machine from certain spyware. Now, we're going to use a product called Spybot Search and Destroy, which has an Immunize feature. Spybot itself is exceptionally good at finding spyware on your machine and usually getting rid of it. In this case, we're going to use it before we get any spyware to sort of prevent us from getting the most prevalent threats. So we're going to go over to Spybot's website. If you're not sure about where to go, you can always go over to Google. And because there are a lot of software claiming to be Spybot, make sure you get the ones that is marked Spybot Search and Destroy. Go. It's going to be your first pick if you search for Spybot. Go to download. Down here we have the top link is the one you want. Just grab it. I'm just going to grab it from the site, I suppose. And download. And download. I've already downloaded it. You're going to click save, put it someplace. Your desktop's a good place for it. Now we're going to run it. Select your language, accept the agreement, and pop it over there. I'm just going to give it the defaults for right now. Obviously you can change these. I don't really want any icons all over the place, so we're going to put those. Internet Explorer protection is very handy. This prevents it from installing stuff that Internet Explorer is especially bad at getting. And T-Timer is a program that prevents spyware from getting on your machine, and it does this actively. It's looking for it being downloaded. I think this is a bit of a resource hit. It's good to have if you're unsure, but if you know your way around and you can sort of sense when danger is afoot, I'd stay away from it because it does use up some resources. So I'm going to take it off here. I'm going to install. And this takes about a minute to install. Now that it's finished, we're just going to click the Finish button with the Run Spybot Search and Destroy button checked. It's going to pop up the program. This is going to be the first time it loads, so what you want to do is pick up all the updates. This is telling you that if you remove spyware, sometimes the program won't work. I think that's a fair trade. I'm not going to bother with the registry backup. We're not going to do anything particularly bad. We are going to search for updates. I'm going to pick US Mirror because I'm in the US, and I'm going to tell it to grab all the updates. Download. Grab in a couple minutes. Once your updates are loaded, it's going to ask you to reapply the immunization. That's fine. That's what we're going to do. Let me get out of this. It's going to reload Spybot. All right. And now we're going to go over to Immunize. I'm going to click Immunize. And right now it's applying a bunch of blocks to known ActiveX exploits and a bunch of other things that are not particularly good for your machine. I'm Dan Afonso, and that was how to immunize your machine against most spyware threats.